Welcome to my channel Learn Short and Typing with विकास सर। एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन। देखिए आप लोग डिक्टेशन जो ये हम एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन में आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ, इसको 90 प्लस जो भी आपके स्किल टेस्ट आएंगे, एसएससी हो गया, आपका एम्स का हो गया, प्लस आपका डीआरडीओ होगा, सभी टेस्ट में 95 प्लस चांस है इसके आने के। इसलिए आप लोग इसको ध्यान से सुनिए और इसको नोट कर लिए। ओके, जो आपकी न्यू आउटलाइन होती हैं आउटलाइनों को नोट कीजिए और इसके जो वर्ड होते हैं उसको भी नोट कीजिए। ओके, हम इसकी स्पीड रखेंगे ओनली 80 वर्ड पर मिनट। ओके, चलिए रेडी, स्टार्ट। हेडिंग इज स्कैंडलाइजिंग एज कंटेम्प्ट। स्टार्ट नाउ। द इनिशियल of proceedings for criminal contempt of court against lawyer activist Prashant Bhushan has once again brought under focus the necessity for retaining the law of contempt as it stands today. In an era in which social media are full of critics, commentators, and observers who deem it necessary to air their views in many unrestrained and uninhibited ways, the higher judiciary should not really be expending its time and energy invoking its power to punish for contempt of itself. While it may not be reasonable to expect that the courts should ignore every allegation or innuendo and every piece of security, there is much wisdom in giving a wide latitude to publicly voiced criticism and strident questioning of the court's ways and decisions. Mr. Bhushan is no stranger to the art of testing the limits of the judiciary's tolerance of criticism. He has made allegations of corruption against judges in the past and has been hauled up for it. The latest proceedings concerns two tweets by him. One, a journal comment on the role of some Chief Justice of India in the last 6 years, and another targeting the current CGI law based on a photograph. How sensitive should the country's highest court be to its out, out, outspoken critics? Question mark. What would be more judicious, ignoring adverse remarks or seeking to make an example of some principal authors of such criticisms to protect the institution? Question mark. The origin of this dilemma lies in the part of contempt law that criminalizes anything that scandalizes or tends to scandalize the judiciary or lowers the court's authority. it may be time to revisit these clouds. Few would disagree that contempt power is needed to punish willful disobedience to court orders, civil contempt, as well as interference in the administration of justice and overt threats to judges. The reason why the concept of contempt exists is to insult the institution from unfair attacks and prevent a sudden fall in the judiciary's reputation in the public eye. However, it has been recognized by jurists that each time the offense of scandalizing the court or lowering the court's authority is invoked, some tend to believe that the court has something to hide. It was believed in 18th century England that it was necessary to be impartial and universally thought so, so that the blaze of glory around judges would stay undis- undiminished. Full stop. However, the contempt doctrine fell into disuse and England abolished the offense of scandalizing the court in 2013. In contemporary times, it is more important that courts are seen to be concerned about accountability, that allegations are squashed by impartial probes rather than threats of contempt action, and processes are transparent. Unfortunately, in a system in which judges are not expected to disclose the reason for recusing themselves, and even charges of sexual harassment are not credibly investigated, it is only the fear of scandalizing the judiciary that restrains much of the media and the public from a more rigorous examination of the functioning of the judiciary. Full stop. गाइज आप लोग ना इस जो हमारी जो डिक्टेशन है, डिक्टेशन को आप नोटपैड में टाइप कीजिए या आप कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप कर दीजिए इसमें, ठीक है। और हम इसमें चेक कर लेंगे आपकी स्पेलिंग, आपकी जो ग्रामर मिस्टेक होती है हम चेक कर लेंगे। देखिए देखते हैं कि किस बच्चे की कितनी मिस्टेक आती है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।